question. Do you know what time it is?
No.
It's time to go! Yes, as you can read the title, below my head, son. Llama. The RSS is ready for pickup. My car is ready. Let's go! Alright, I'm doing too much. Okay. Alright, we're pulling up. I don't see nothing yet.
Oh, I see it down there.
Oh, I see it. Oh, I really...
And I bet it look good.
I really don't see it.
Nah,
It's right there, that Camry.
Oh, I see it, Randy. Yo! Oh, shit. Yo! Oh, shit.
I told you, bro. The way you, bro.
Dog.
That bitch look wet.
Yo, what the Oh, snap. I miss you. Oops. Of course. Lo and behold, it has to rain. Of course, dog. Of course. Gotta love Florida, bro. It'll be sunny as hell all day, and now we got rain. And I have no headlights or tail lights. Yikes. This color is unreal, dog. It is oh my god. It's been raining non-stop since I got home. I got the car all put back together. The reason why I didn't show you guys the car at the shop because I have no headlights, no lip, none of the stuff that needed to be on the car in order to showcase it to you. All right, so I found this location close to my house to reveal the car, paint code and all that, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's just get to it. You guys enjoyed that cinematic. It kind of sucked because the sun is not out. You can't really see the color. Bro, the camera is not doing it justice at all. Like, this color is, it's not, on camera it looks peachy. It's an orange, but it has hella pearl in it. You just can't see the pearl because there's no sunlight on it. So I'll insert a clip that I took on my iPhone earlier when I had a little bit of sunlight. Kind of hard to see it. Bruh, this color is so fire, bruh. Dog. So yeah, that's that. Now this paint job isn't anything spectacular. There's flaws, of course, you know what I mean, like right here. The color code of this car is actually custom. It's a custom color that they made themselves, and I was like one of the few cars to get it. Like, I think I'm like the third or fourth car that have this color. The other cars that did get the color was like old school, like Chevelles and stuff like that. It's like a classic color, kind of. On camera it just looks, you know, not cool. On camera it just looks weird. Like, seeing it in person looks so much better than seeing it on camera, dog. But on camera it looks pretty good too. But yeah, this is it, man. This is Nami 2.0. That's it, baby. This is it. And like I told you guys, keep the grill black. Also, I have to order a new front bumper. You know, there's flaws in it that I told them don't even worry about because they're gonna charge me an arm and a leg to do it. So I was like, don't even worry about it. Just, you know, I'm gonna put the lip over it. But I gotta get another front bumper. But other than that, baby, this is it. I promise you guys, the car looks sick in person. If you live locally, you see this car, you'll be like, yo, that shit kind of looks tight. You know what I mean? You can't even see the pearl on it. There's no sunlight, dog. But yeah, this is it. Okay, so it's the next day. The sun was just out, but it went away. I'm extremely sad right now because I was gonna show you guys the orange. So you can finally see that it's orange and not red, how the camera's picking it up. But my lip flew off. Yep, that happened. So I have no front lip. I just ordered another one. It should be here by October 8th. But this is how the car's gonna look until I get my new lip. Oh look, my side skirt almost flew off too. I gotta fix this too. Jesus, get it together, Zosh. That's back on, nice and secure. Still no sunlight, but I'm gonna close out this video now, I guess. I'll get back home. God, it's so trash without the front lip. And you guys can't see the sparkles in the paint. It looks so orange peely. Huh, funny, it looks orange peely and it's orange. I'm also getting some touch-up paint next week to touch that up so like that can be all cured because I was messing with this earlier. But this is the car, guys. This is how she looks until I got the spoiler at home as well. I just got to get the rivet gun from Fred's house so I can rivet it on, but I think I'm gonna keep it spoilerless. It looks pretty good without the spoiler, so. Yep, that's that. God, man. This reveal video sucks cheeks, dog. Ugh. Bro, just look how I ruined my car in less than 24 hours, bro. Oh my God, this is so trash. All right, well, this is not how I wanted to end the video, but well, time to end this mall. Know what I mean? I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal video. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sorry for teasing you. My karma for doing that is me having to buy another lip and having to get repainted, which means I'm gonna spend more money, which means suck. But hey, content. I really am on the wrong platform. Can guys make OnlyFans accounts? Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the color. If you do like the color, leave a like on the video. If you don't like the color or this video, leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a f. Merch! Zosh MFG garage banners and Marauder shop garage banners, all merch. I love each and every single one of you guys. Hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, cheek slapping, all that. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one, with whatever that may be. I'm out. Peace.